Hi everyone, today we're making tie-dye shirts. Tiago's tips. This is my assistant, Tio Andy. He knows what he's doing. He's done this before. Trust me, follow us. First we need some dye. Then some t-shirts. And some rubber bands.
Pinch the middle, and you're gonna turn it. Keep turning it, beautiful. Yeah.
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah. And look, now we're gonna grab a rubber band. You're gonna put it around here. And you're gonna grab another rubber band. We're gonna go this way. All right. Now, you see these little pieces? We're gonna paint each of them a different color. Here, I'll take the top off for you. It gets a little, it can be a little tough. So just in the one piece.
Okay.
Just in one section, Bob. You could take off those huge gloves.
Really?
Yeah.
There you go. Nice.
There we go.
Get the insides.
Good. Perfect.
Sometimes it goes through.
There you go. You can keep going. Yeah, we want to get all the white. Nice. Good job. Do another one.
That's great.
Gonna blend together anyway.
That is like more beautiful.
Yeah. More beautiful. That's exactly.
Well, we have one more bottle. This paint dries really quick.
Yeah, we gotta wash it first, but let's get that white part over here.
I got it. I have to move it around.
That looks cool already.
Dark blue, we picked red, and we picked yellow, and we picked green. Now I just let the shirt dry, and then we wash it, and then we dry it. Now that one dries, then we're gonna make another one. Blue and purple. Dun, dun, dun.
Crunch it together. Nice. Yeah. Now we're gonna put the rubber bands on it. Let go of it. Gonna grab a rubber band. We're gonna keep the scrunch.
I got one. I'm gonna put it like.
And put it around.
This one's too big, I think.
Yeah, that's why we're gonna tighten it.
I'll open it as.
You got it?
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Get it around once. You can put that one on the other end.
Okay, I'll put this one on the other end.
Yeah.
But you already did it. Oh, it fell off?
I did 1, 2. So this is gonna separate the stripes.
We could just put it like that. Now we're all clear.
Well, let's make sure that we're even. So this one we can move up a little bit. Because this is gonna be one color, this is gonna be a different color, this is gonna be the same color as this, and this is gonna be the same color as this, and it's gonna look like stripes. It's only gonna be 2 colors.
I chose red and I chose yellow.
Which one do you want on top?
This one.
Okay, so let's do that one first.
This one?
Yeah, you're just gonna cover from here to the end
Okay.
with yellow.
We're painting this part of the shirt red.
That's okay.
Ran out?
That's okay.
It's alright.
That's gonna look great. Let's get the top over here. Beautiful. Look at that. You're an artist, kid. Yeah. There you go, I'm dry. Nice.
This one's pretty dry. I touched that one about the red. I would like to say thank you for Tio Andy for helping me. Don't forget to subscribe. If you don't subscribe, you may be missing the videos, and this one's far the best one. Thanks for watching. Adios, amigos.